Okay. Hey guys, this is day 27 arigato. I guess, yes, it's day 27 arigato from Yes Peopletainment. It is 2:12 a.m. in Indian time, and I'm going live on my Instagram. So this is for entrepreneurs, and this message is especially for people who hustle, people who have dreams, people who are doing something on the ground. Okay, because I know only those people are awake till now, planning their weekend for their businesses, doing some project work, planning out stuff. I know you guys are out there and hustling. So for you, this is for you, day 27 arigato, which I want to convey this message because this is what I've been feeling. It's okay not to be okay. Okay, many times this positive mindset, many times being in positivity, surrounded with the positive world, which will not happen naturally, organically. Sometimes you fall into a trap which you cannot come out of it. Sometimes you fall into an anger. Sometimes some situation happens, you won't be able to get out as a human being. It happens with you, and it happened with me also, right? So what I am saying is, it's okay not to be okay. But what not okay is being in that not okay stage for a long time. Okay, so how to come out of this not okay stage while taking care of yourself, being aware of yourself. How to be aware of myself, what I like, what I dislike, what makes me angry, what makes me happy, who is good for me, who is bad for me, which business is good for me, which business is bad for me. How you will identify these very important stuff in your life by doing meditation, by being in self awareness. Okay, so what I was discussing with one of my partners, I was telling her, and she was acknowledging it. For doing business, okay, for doing anything, you have to have a self awareness. Okay, say example, you're building a restaurant business. Okay, so can you build your restaurant business just wearing a mask, just being a fake face, just being your face is one thing in your business, and you have something else character, how to say, you're a different person in personal life and the business life? Will it be okay? Your personal life and your business life is same. Your business is a reflection of you, reflection of your personality, reflection of your character, reflection of your mindset. Same goes to your lifestyle. Okay, same goes to your personal life. Who you are is a reflection of your life. So sometimes you will not be okay, you will be devastated, you will be angry, you will be frustrated. That is okay, but that is okay for that day. But how to come out of it? When you do your meditation, when you realize yourself, when you have that self awareness. If you don't have that self awareness, you will not be able to build your business, you will not be able to build your family, you will not have personal life, you will have the same problem again and again. Go and watch my day 26 arigato video, which I spoken about the pattern. Okay, so if bad things keep happening to you, no money is keep happening to you, your business is going down, your personal life sucks, your health sucks, just because of you don't have the self awareness. Okay, so sometimes it's okay not to be okay. But how to come out of it, how to make yourself okay? You know you're sad, you know you don't have money, you know your business is not going well, you know you are not happy with yourself. ये कब होता है? When you realize, when you have that self awareness, तब जाके होती है, right? So for understanding yourself, go talk to yourself, close your eyes, do meditation, start meditation practices. That's when you will be able to do everything well. If you want to have a joyful life, if you want to achieve something, if you want to utilize your power, you have to realize that power, you have to activate that power. That power only can get activated by meditation. मेडिटेशन के बिना कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. सेल्फ अवेयरनेस के बिना, मैं लिख के देती हूँ, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस के बिना यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू गुड इन योर बिजनेस. आपका बिजनेस पे एक फेस, पर्सनल लाइफ में एक फेस नहीं हो सकता. जैसे आप बिजनेस पे है वैसे आप पर्सनल लाइफ में होंगे. जैसे आपका पर्सनालिटी है वैसे आपका बिजनेस का मॉड्यूल भी बनती है, स्ट्रक्चर भी बनती है. जैसे आपका बिजनेस पर्सनल लाइफ है, ऑरा है, वैसे उतना ही पैसा बिजनेस से आती है, और जो भी आप काम करो उतना ही आती है. सो वेयर यू हैव टू करेक्ट योर सेल्फ, यू हैव टू करेक्ट योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट. To correct everything around you, you have to correct yourself first. You have to have that self awareness that can achieved only through meditation 100%. Okay, so this is day 27. Arigato, whoever is watching me this time also, thank you so much. Dexter and Rishabh, thank you so much for watching me. Please go start your meditation practice and build some beautiful businesses. Be beautiful, be joyful. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow on day 28. Arigato. See you. Bye-bye.